Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's find the option Reset Options, which is right here, and the network options are divided into two different sections. So we've got the first one, Reset Mobile Network Settings, and then Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Of course, you can reset both. I'll show you how to do it with the usage of, for example, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Simply tap on the option and then tap on Reset. Your device will show you the information that you cannot undo this action, so be aware about that. And we had this information that we just successfully reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Of course, as I said, we can do the same with mobile network settings. Just tap on it, tap on Reset Settings. Again, the information that we cannot undo this action, so tap on Reset Settings, and here we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.